Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.